Imagine walking through a pipe 2 meters wide that swallows 10,000 liters of river water every second, not for a sewer, but to heat 40,000 homes. According to the sources, this $200 million project in Mannheim, Germany uses massive industrial compressors to harvest heat from the Rhine. It effectively replaces polluting coal-fired units with a cleaner district heating network. The modules are so enormous they may need to arrive by river barge, yet they are designed with a multi-step filter system to protect fish. They will change the river's average temperature by less than 0.1 degrees. From the $176 million system in Aalborg, Denmark, to using water from disused mines in the UK, these giant heat pumps are transforming how we warm our cities. It is a massive engineering feat that proves the sweet spots for green energy are often right beneath our feet or flowing past our front doors.